Guys, I'm Wade and today we're standing outside the San Pedro market because
Not this time. Hi, I'm Lonia and today I will show you how to stay healthy vegan in Cusco. I will take you around and I will present you how beautiful and full of flavors Cusco can be for vegans. First stop, some breakfasts. We are going to buy chicha. Chicha is a very famous drink people are selling everywhere around. Chicha is actually quinoa drink. Very nice, warm. They are mixing with some fruit flavors. You might get apple flavor, pineapple. So it's really nice and makes you feel like you got some good breakfast. Chicha morada. Most probably it will be this purple corn they are having here. And guys, chicha costs 1 soles, which is like 20 cents.
breakfast is done. We thought that because now we've been in Cusco for 2 weeks, we kind of have a very good understanding of where everything is. So today we're going to take you to the best spots that we found so far. Let's go.
And this is Janet. Okay, so all juices, no sugar,
No water.
no water. Okay,
Yeah.
I will go for papaya with aloe. Good start for vegan. If you don't know what to have for breakfast, guys, definitely come here. It's cheap, it's affordable. One juice is between 6 and 8 soles, which is around $2.50. And if you're someone similar like me who is an absolute snack lover, here you can really find amazing alternative to have a very healthy snack when you chill and you want to watch a movie. They have many different varieties of dry fruits and chips like yuca chips, dried banana chips, even salted banana chips, my favorite one. Pineapple. Peruvian markets, guys, are filled with fresh fruits, beautiful spices, a lot of superfoods. They are big on quinoa because quinoa is Andes grain, and they have many places where you can buy cacao, chocolate without sugar, with stevia. So they have many different like substitutions. If you don't want to eat sugar on unhealthy food, you can really come here, have nice juice, have beautiful lunch, and come later because the markets usually are open till 4 or 7 p.m. to have dinner. Now we are going to the chocolate museum, and I hope we will be able to find vegan chocolate, which means no milk inside, because Peru actually is huge on cacao. So let's go, let's have some nice dessert.
Here's some non-vegan information for you. Well, actually, it still is kind of vegan.
It is.
But like all of these guys who sell these paintings are not really what they're selling, if you know what I mean.
We have our sweets and we are going to San Blas market, which is extremely close to our house. And Lila is already waiting for us. We'll cook some delicious Peruvian vegan food with Lila. Her prices are extremely affordable and she is cooking proper Peruvian vegan food.
I gotta hit the beat. 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 I gotta hit the...
We are coming to Green Point restaurant, our favorite vegan restaurant in whole Cusco. We got an invitation for evening party. Very excited. They are cooking absolutely the best vegan food I've ever experienced in my whole life. So super excited, and we ate in this plate so many times. Hey Oleg! And he is a kombucha master. Hola! Good to see you. We are coming tonight.
Of course, we didn't expect anything else.